everybody, and welcome to Cooking with Josiah. Okay, so today we are going to make a classic dessert. We're going to be making brownies. So, to start off, I'm going to get some I'm just going to get some Pillsbury milk chocolate brownie mix. Set it right there. And some other ingredients it calls for is oil and eggs. You know, when I make brownies, sometimes to make it really fluffy and good, it's just wonderful to add a little bit of sour cream. Yeah, you may think this is weird, but no, it's not. You can't taste it. It really gives it a nice flavor. It just brings out the flavor, and it's really, really good. You just have to try it for yourself. And one other thing that I am going to add, just grab this. We're gonna put some chopped walnuts, okay? So let me get my mixing bowl and my measuring cup. And yeah, our mixing bowl. So first, the instruction says to preheat the oven to 350 degrees, okay? So that's what I'm going to do. So it says 350, now it is preheating, okay? Okay, so now it says, so combine brownie mix, oil, water, and eggs in a large bowl. Stir 50 strokes with a spoon, spread on greased pan. Okay, so let me just open the brownie mix. Okay. Okay, now this. Oh my gosh. Where are the scissors? I'm gonna use the nail clipper. It's not working, okay? Don't make fun of me. You know, I'm not the greatest chef. I don't have all these kitchen tools like famous people. Working out. Okay. You know what? I'll be right back. Thank you, though. Got some scissors. Okay. Make sure this doesn't fall. You're all with me, right? You're all with me. Okay. I'm cutting. No! I spilled. I actually did spill. I spilled. And I spilled. So, what I'm going to want to do is just pour the mixture. I did spill. I need to clean that up. Okay. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. I just gotta clean this up, baby. Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna, just gonna leave it so I'm done cooking. Yeah, you don't need to worry about it. Just don't. Okay. Okay. So I'm gonna find a whisk. So just kind of break it up a little bit. It's a little stale. Okay. I don't know. I don't know. You know what? Okay. It says 1/2 cup of oil. Okay. Let's see here. Come on. Oh yeah, baby. Oh yeah. Okay. We're good. I think we're good. All right. So I think. Do you think that I should pour this in here? You know what? I'm just gonna risk it. Yeah. Just kind of stir that around. Crap! Eggs! Oh. Dang it. Oh. There's only one egg. Okay? Did I look at this? Look at that. That's just ridiculous. Okay? I have one egg and it calls for 2. What am I gonna do? Oh, thank you. Oh, fridge? Oh, thank you. Thank you. Oh, I thought I was like lost for a minute because you know what? I'm just gonna. Well, should I just throw it in there? Yeah. Okay. So, what we're gonna do is just put another one in there and whisk. That doesn't look right. Okay, no. That's not working for me. That's not good. Is it? It said 2 eggs and it didn't say to crack them before I put them in. That's just not right. I'm just gonna throw that away. There's what the heck? This is not my lucky day, okay? Just be quiet about it. Just don't make fun of me. Okay, oh my gosh. Okay, just don't look at me like that. I'm just having a bad day. I mean, I don't have a lot of money, okay? Gosh. Got gross stuff on my hands. Oh my gosh. Am I supposed to? Oh my gosh. Okay. I'm just gonna like stir this because it's really making me mad. I wish I knew how to make brownies. I don't know. Why am I doing this? Can you? Oh my gosh. And do you think that's done enough? No? Okay. Now do I just put it in the oven like this? Okay. Yeah, that's what I thought.
You forgot the water.
Shoot. Oh, the water. 1/4 cup water. Oh. 1/4 cup water. What does that mean? I'll just risk it. Okay. I can do this. You know what? This is really hurting my wrist, so I don't know. Can I get a helper? Can I get a helper? All right, come on down, sweetie. Okay. I really just I don't want to get arthritis or anything. Can you please just stir that? Just stir it, okay? Yeah. What I'm gonna be doing while she is doing this, thank you, my love. I'm I got this really handy dandy, really expensive tool that's not expensive. I'm gonna chop walnuts in it. You know, when you're making brownies, you do not have to do this, but I'm gonna put some walnuts in it just for the fun of it, you know? Yeah. Oh yeah. No, not yet. Not yet. Not yet. Oh my gosh. What the heck? No. Just stop. Oh my god. Oh my gosh. Stop messing with my chef hat. Okay, go like that. Yeah, let's do that. Let's see. Okay, ready? Okay. Okay, that's not. No. Okay. So hard. I need assistance. I need assistance. Wait, is that good? Can I have your help? Can I have your help? Can I have your help? Okay, so, like, I'm really dumb, so I just really don't know. Is that good enough?
No.
Suck. I'm just gonna do it anyways. Just gonna put some walnuts in there, you know, just a little bit, you know, just stop. Okay, just get out. Just go. I don't need you anymore. Oh my gosh. What's your name again, honey? You know what? Just be that way. Just. You know, this is my show. I don't even know why I just let you on, but this is my show. Okay. Sour cream. Ew. Why am I doing this? Get a spoon, okay? There's no spoons. There's no spoons. Oh, found one. Dad. 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 Okay. Oh my gosh, I'm stepping in that like mix that I spilled earlier. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to like go clean my socks right now, but you know what? I'm just gonna wait. Gosh, why does it have to be so do you like this? Does it look good? Do you like it? Okay. Well, okay. Oh, yeah, okay, wait. Says, okay, so. Oh, we need to get a pan to cook this in. I totally forgot about it. Wait, yeah. Totally forgot.
You need a spoon.
Okay, so this is what my grandmother taught me. So what we do is, so what we're gonna do is get a paper towel. Okay. Okay. Take it. Okay. You just kind of fold it up. And ew, what's in there? So gross. Like, what the heck? People these days. And just kind of, you know, just a little bit of olive oil. Or butter, you know, whatever you want, but yeah. And just rub it, you know, that's just pretty much all you have to do. Okay. It's pretty much done here, but trying to get it so I don't miss any spoons. I don't want it to be sticking here, you know. I'm almost done here. Okay. Yeah, okay. I'm done. Okay, I think we're just gonna
Ooh, isn't that special? Fun. Isn't it?
wow. I've never even seen anything like this. Have you? Oh my goodness. Wow. Wow. You know what? This whisk isn't really working out for me right now. I think I need to get like a different spoon to, you know, just kind of scrape out. Oh. Don't tell anyone.
Perfect.
This is like really good for, you know, just scraping out the last dropping. I'll just set that. Okay. So just scrape it in. Okay. Get every last drop. Okay. Okay. This is really not working out. This is just gonna be a long day for me. This is so stupid. I can get through it. Take a deep breath. Don't get at my whisk. No, that's not right. That's not how it's supposed to happen.